The reason that we're outside Barclays today is that Barclays Bank have a financial relationship with Israel in the same way that they did during South Africa's apartheid. And their financial support buys weapons, many weapons of mass destruction, but also ordinary weapons and chemical weapons like white phosphorus, which is being used against the Palestinians at the moment. And so we want to draw the attention to people who've got accounts in Barclays and say to them, cancel your account and go to another bank. We were successful with Barclays in over South Africa, and we're going to do the same for Palestine. Yeah, that's why.
Okay.